This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine a crispy pie pastry filled with delicious banana custard and toffee flavoured caramel sauce. Oh well, looks like someone took a nibble out of it. Well, a lot of gunk inside there. For $1.50, that ain't bad. While you're here, if you click me button and ring me dong along, I'll be greatly appreciative. So, eggs, sugar, cream, condensed cream to make your caramel coffee custard. Bananas, cream, and eggs to make your banana custard. Squirt on some puff pastry. Chuck the lid on. Cut them up. Use a fork to give it some edges. Give it a quick fry and some veggie oil. Serve it up. Look at that. Not bad for under $1. It's so sickly sweet, you gotta have a black coffee to go with it just to make it edible. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Grab